Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today is day 27 of my NEWvember challenge. We're wrapping up the month, so if you'd like to see what I eat in the day, be sure to watch this video. Today's breakfast, I am making a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich on an English muffin. It is 2 points for the English muffin. I have a half a piece of the deluxe American cheese for 1 point, 1 egg, and 2 points for the bacon. So it is a 5-point sandwich, and I had my iced coffee for 1 point, so 6 points for breakfast. There's my sandwich. It's good. I really like making it, so that's why it's on here often. For a little snack, I'm having a oatmeal bite. These are from Alyssa's Healthy Oatmeal Bites. I bought them on Amazon. They are 1 point a piece, and I'm having a cup of tea. So that is a 2-point snack. For lunch, I am making a pita. I have a 1 point carb counter tortilla, and I have grilled chicken from Kirkwood. Then I'm going to put some cucumbers on it, some red onion, some tomatoes, and then I'm going to top it with some of this tzatziki cucumber dill sauce that I bought at Aldi's, and that is 2 points for 2 tablespoons. So that is my lunch today, and it is only 3 points. Big chicken gyro. I'm going to have a pear as a little tide me over till dinner snack. I made some dinner in the slow cooker today. I have chicken breast that I cooked with 98% fat-free chicken soup, and then I added mixed vegetables, and I mixed up 1 cup of Bisquick and 2/3 of a cup of low-fat milk and dropped in these dumplings. And I put some poultry seasoning on it, and that is my dinner going to be tonight. A serving is 8 points, and it looks yummy. There's my dinner tonight. I'm having chicken and dumplings with a side of green beans. The chicken and dumplings is 8 points. There is 3 dumplings in that with a chicken breast, and the green beans, I seasoned them with some garlic, and that is my dinner, and it looks yummy. I'm having a little piece of pumpkin pie. I'll put the points on the screen with some light Cool Whip. Well, that's the end of today's What I Eat in a Day video. I ended the day using 35 points. I was doing well all day. I really had some good meals, and then I cut my husband that piece of pumpkin pie, and I caved. I had to have a piece too. It was football Sunday today, but we did not go anywhere, so we just stayed home, and I was able to make some really low point and good meals. That lunch I made was really good, kind of like a gyro, but a chicken pita. Was really good. So if you ever have the opportunity to go to Aldi's and pick up some of that tzatziki, it's a good low point lunch. And if it wasn't for that pie, I would have had a really good day. So, oh well. All I could say is drink lots of water, get rid of the weekend holiday sodium and calories that you may have eaten if you did. And that's going to be it for this holiday weekend. There's 3 days left of my NEWvember challenge. And hopefully we show a good loss. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.